In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales page from scratch with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to spin up a new funnel from a blank canvas, and where to manage the key settings that keep your sales page running smoothly. First, go to GoHighLevel and sign in so you land on your dashboard. If you work with multiple accounts or locations, make sure you're in the right one before you begin. Starting in the correct workspace will keep your assets organized and prevent confusion later. On the left-hand sidebar, click Sites. This is the home for anything web-related inside GoHighLevel. From here, click Funnels to open the area dedicated to funnel-based pages. Funnels are perfect for sales pages because they're designed around conversions, allowing you to track performance and optimize step by step. Next, click New Funnel. When the options appear, choose from blank. Starting from a blank canvas gives you full control over structure and design, which is ideal when you want a true sales page built around your unique offer. Type a clear funnel name that describes your product or campaign so it's easy to find later. Keep it simple and specific. Once you've named it, click Create to generate the funnel shell. Inside your new funnel, click Steps. Think of steps as the backbone of your funnel. This is where your sales page will live and where you can later add other pages such as an order form, upsell, or thank you page in the sequence you need. Even if you're just creating a single sales page, visiting steps first helps you visualize the flow and confirm everything is neatly organized. Now, click Stats. This tab is your performance dashboard. After your page is live, you'll come here to see views, conversions, and other metrics that show how your page is performing. Next, click Sales. This is where revenue and transaction details appear once orders start coming in, making it easy to track results at a glance. Click Security to review options that protect your funnel. Here you can manage access controls as needed. Then click Events. Events help you monitor key actions and connect your funnel activity to analytics, allowing you to understand what visitors do on your page. Finally, click Settings. This is where you'll handle essentials like the funnel path, domain assignment, and basic SEO details. Give everything a quick review so you're set up for a clean launch. That's it. You went from the dashboard to creating a brand new blank funnel and toward the core tabs: steps, stats, sales, security, events, and settings, so you're ready to build and manage your sales page with confidence.